This Mumbai city, where every day somebody fall victim to murder or extortion. Like our Mr. Gupta. He owned a jewelry shop. Blood is stubborn. One day he refused to pay blood money. The local underworld gang kidnap his one and only son. What else this underworld can do? Then they ask Gupta to pay 10 million. They tell him they call him back at 11 o'clock to fix meeting place. Gupta tell police everything. Then 11 o'clock, they all sitting, waiting for phone to ring. At 11, the phone ringing, and ringing, and ringing. These people refusing to answer phone only. Afterwards, they say they were enjoying ringtone. A king ringtone. One day it will destroy one and all.